Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, it's Allison. So today I am going to do this makeup look, and it's just like this kind of dark, I don't even know how to describe it, look. This is one of these looks that I never tried out before. I'm always into neutrals and all this stuff and like just a gloss or something, so I tried out something new. I feel like this would be good for a prom makeup look, so I guess that's going to be the title, is going to be Prom Makeup Tutorial for 2018. And I really enjoy this look. I hope you guys enjoy this look as well. Hopefully you keep on watching till the end and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. Turn on post notifications to get an update every time I post a new video. And yeah, so let's get started. So I already did my eyebrows and I concealed them, so we can just move on because my eyebrows is the same in every video. I use the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, and then I use my concealer, my NARS concealer in custard, to clean them up. So next I am going to do my eyeshadow because it's so much easier to do it first than my face, because if there's any fallout or any mistakes, I could clean it up with my foundation, concealer, anything. So what I'm going to use for my eyeshadow today is the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette, and this is the 10 color eyeshadow 4 color highlighter palette. So this is how it looks inside. I think I showed it before, and the two colors that I'm going to use is this color and this color for my crease. Okay, so I want it to be like a little bit more brown. So I am using this Sephora palette that I got a while back. It's the Natural Instincts palette, and I'm using this brown shade. Okay, so what I did was I kind of cut my crease on this side, so I'm going to do it on this side with my NARS concealer and this brush. Next, from the Carly Bible palette, I am going to use this gold shade right here and put it on my eyelid. Okay, so I'm gonna move on from the eyes for now and then go on to my face, and then we're gonna go back to my eyes. So I'm gonna use the Milk Makeup Cooling Water and use it as a primer. So what I'm gonna use is a Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the color Soft Tan, 228 Soft Tan, and I'm gonna use my Beauty Blender and blend. Okay, so I am going to use the NYX Full Coverage Concealer, green concealer, and I'm going to cover up the redness on my face. Whew, I am so hot this light, but I did another layer of foundation on top after I put the green concealer on, because I had too much on my hands, so I went over again and I try to blend as much as possible over my face, so hopefully everything is blended out. Let's do this one more time across my face. Now it's time for concealer. And after concealer, I am going to use my Laura Mercier powder and bake. I'm going to use this beauty blender and to bake. Now I'm going to go back to eyes. Okay, so next I am going to put on lashes, and the lashes that I'm going to use is the Ardell 105 Black, and they came in a twin pack, and I'm using this dual glue as just this applicator. So I'm going to use, for bronzer, I'm going to use NARS Genia. I don't know how to say it. I don't know if you just saw that, but I'm going to use this color and bronze or contour, whatever you want to call it. Oh my, okay. So what I used for blush is the MAC MAC powder blush in Mocha Matte, and I just like kind of like digged in and like put it on my cheeks because I deepened up my skin too much, so I'm trying to bring some color back into me and a little flush of color. So then now I am going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amazing highlighter, and I'm so excited. I haven't even touched it, and like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Like, you don't even know. It's a funny story because, oh my god, my Tarte blush. So what's so funny is that it came out, and then I was like, oh my gosh, should I get it? Should I not get it? So I was like really like torn about if I should get it or not. And then when I finally wanted to get it, it got sold out. So, and then I was looking at Amarizi's Instagram story, and then all of a sudden I was using it. So I was like, oh, let me check if it's back in stock, and it was. So I got it. I already know how it looks like. I'm so excited to use it. I don't know what brush to use, to be honest, so I'm gonna just take this e.l.f. blush brush. Hopefully it works. I need a really good highlighting brush, to be honest, but hopefully it's all good with this. So I'm just gonna show you guys. Let's see. where is it? Oh, yeah. It's, I don't know if I'm sure. Oh, okay, okay. As you can see, my cheekbones don't have anything. And now I'm gonna... I don't know if you guys could see it. I think you can. It's really pretty. I'm gonna put another coat. So, this is a comparison. Highlighter, no highlighter. So let's put it on the other side. Now I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose. So I'm going to use my finger. And here it is. Oh my god, my face. It's so different. So along with the highlighter, I got an Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss. These are one of my favorites. If you have watched my other videos, I am always using one of those lip glosses. So I got a new one, and this is in Sophia. I don't know how to pronounce stuff, guys. So it's like I think on the website it says like dark yellow taupe. I don't even know how it's supposed to be a dark yellow taupe, but I think it's kind of like a brown color. So we'll see how it looks on my lips. So pretty. Let's put on music. Where's the music though? So I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is like one of the best looks. Well, I think this is like my #1 look. I really love it. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below any videos you want me to do next. Subscribe down below if you're new to my channel. And remember to turn on post notifications so you get an update every time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys. Oh, and comment down below if you have the Amarizi highlighter, or you have this lip color, or you are going to try on this look. Try out this look. Bye, guys.